Okay, today's video is a video review of some UV 3D PLA filament, 1.75mm, bought off eBay for about £12 delivered, so a really good price. Okay, this is it. Obviously the reel, it changes really quickly, as you can see there. I will put the link to the supplier on eBay in the description, but basically I think I paid quite a bit less. I mean, I think they were about £12 a roll. Buy 5 rolls, get 10% off, but eBay were also doing another deal which was 10% off your orders, so from £12 I most probably got it for £10, £9 a roll. Okay, so that's that one. That's the description. UV sensitive, sunshine PLA 1.75, normal print temperature 190-230, 1 kilogram. Okay, like I say, I mean, I've got to find uses for it, but like if you put your fingers over the end, dirty or whatever, and then take your fingers away, it does it. So I have got some ideas, either with flamingos, making flamingos in the garden possibly. Anyway, so what I have done in the meantime is I did test it as much as I can test these. Right, there it is, it's going. Right, the one at the back here, basically it's in the sunshine. Let's see what it's like without the sunshine. There. And so it doesn't take long before it actually colours up. They do have some other filaments that I will be reviewing. I mean, I don't see the point in sometimes doing like how good a quality test, because I think sometimes that's more down to the printer than the actual filament. They're all pretty good nowadays. One thing, I do have a Creality CR10S, and I have managed this one. Initially I started off with using tape, and then using sort of like you know, PVA glue and all like that stuck to get things down. But now I'm actually doing it onto glass, and I think you can see that it is working. I mean, initially sometimes you want to throw the machine at the wall because nothing will stick, and what I found is I have to be very I mean, they say a paper thickness, but I find almost touching does for me. And as you can see, there are reflections on that. So keep persevering, maybe go closer, don't rely on the one paper thickness thing, just maybe go as close as possible, and that seems to work for me. Sometimes I will do it on a brim. Well, these were done on a brim, I think, and it sort of didn't work in certain ways because I can't get the brim off it. But you know, it seems to work for me on this instance, and it's supposed to be holes, but I'm actually quite glad it isn't, because I do have another plan for these as well for another video. Okay, I think that's basically it. I'll put the links to the supplier on eBay. Please give us a thumbs up, a like, subscribe. I will try to put out as many videos as possible a week, maybe up to 5 for the moment. What I've got planned is, I think, for some future videos, how I store my PLA filaments and the sort of thing I do to keep them dehumidified, and other things. Obviously, it's still got this 3D laser problem, still on with the supply from eBay about that. But yes, a lot of good stuff coming up, I hope. Okay, cheers. Again, like, subscribe, push the bell button, that really helps. Any questions, put in the comments. Thank you.